Welcome back to our channel. It has been a very long minute. Both Nathaniel and I work full-time jobs, and so trying to get around to farm things is quite difficult. And for this project in particular, we received a grant from the NRCS for a 30 by 72 high tunnel, and waiting on supplies was probably our biggest setback for this project. And we also hit rock on this project, and so you see Nathaniel is cutting off some rebar, and we had to be a little inventive for 3 spots where the posts were going to go. And all we did was just shove some rebar through some concrete sacks, and we're going to cover it up and then put some more concrete. So concrete, rebar, more concrete. It's going to hopefully get the job done. You see, of course, men and fire. It's like a staple at the farm. Putting in the post for this area, and I'm sure somewhere in the world we're violating some safety issue. It doesn't seem to bother them at all. They love it. T-post driver, if you don't have one, go invest in one. They're super handy for everything. So this is where we had those 3 posts. My father-in-law went and found some metal, and we've got those concreted in, and we're going to just slide those posts over. The metal posts are already in the ground, and then our high tunnel posts will kind of just set on top. Of course, they're on a mission here. They are definitely on a mission, cutting off the ends so that way the posts will just slide over and be flush with the rest of the ones we already set in the ground that did the well. As you can see, none of our plans work out the way they should. One post just did not work. So what else to do? We're going to use the track hoe, beat it into submission, and thankfully we were able to push that thing down and get it on. The next thing was putting these trusses up. Now, putting them together, our first couple that we put together took us, I would say, at least an hour a piece. Like it was a learning curve. But once we learned how to put up these trusses, we were putting them together under 8 minutes. Like we had a really nice flow going. Same thing with putting them up. It took 3 men in the track hoe, and it was super, super easy. You see that they put some cross brace in. Well, a part of the cross bracing up for this. And again, we are going to, I'm sure, break some kind of safety rule somewhere in the world, and just not here. Here, my father-in-law used some bungee cord to help him hold up those purlins while he was screwing them into the top trusses. I would say they had this complete within the hour. It didn't take too terribly long. For this part of the project, so putting up the trusses, tying into the top purlin, and doing the side, it took us, I would say we worked on it for 3 or 4 weekends, just here and there in between all the other things that we have to do. And we finished up this part during Christmas break. So this is what we had as of December 2021. And I'll have some more updated video coming in 2022. Thanks for watching.